Good morning all. Last day we are discussing about rings and we did two examples. Rings. A ring is an algebraic structure with R denoted by R plus dot consisting of two cobinary compositions and denoted by plus and dot and usually referred as addition and multiplication, and we have three axioms to be satisfied. First axiom R1 is R plus is an abelian group, that is with respect to addition the non-empty set R is an abelian group. R2 multiplication is associative. R3 the right and left distributive law should be satisfied, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, and A plus B into C is equal to A into C plus B into C. And we did two examples. Today also we are doing some more examples of rings. So next problem is, let R be any ring and MNR be the collection of all n by n matrices having elements of R as entries. Show that MNR is a ring with respect to addition and multiplication of matrices. So we have collection of square matrices of order n and the elements are from a ring. So we have to first show that the operation is the two operations are binary. So we know that the sum and product of two n by n matrices are again n by n matrices. So therefore MNR is closed with respect to both operations. Hence addition and multiplication of matrices are binary operations on MNR. Now we have to show that the three ring axioms R1, R2 and R3. So R1 is, in R1 we have to show that R plus is abelian. So we have here R is MNR and the plus is matrix addition. So matrix addition is an abelian group with respect to matrix addition. Since matrix addition is associative and R is a ring, matrix addition is associative on MNR. Now we have the group axiom, second group axiom, existence of identity. The zero matrix, we know that the zero matrix, zero element of MNR, that is 0 by 0, n by n order of zero matrix. And for any A element of MNR, 0 plus A is equal to A, which is equal to A plus 0. Hence 0 element of MNR is the identity of MNR. Now we have to show that the existence of inverse. For that, to each matrix A element of MNR, there exists a unique matrix minus A element of MNR such that A plus minus A is equal to 0, which is equal to minus A plus A. Thus every element of MNR possesses an additive inverse. Also, since matrix addition is commutative and R is a ring, matrix addition is commutative in MNR. Hence MNR is an abelian group with respect to matrix addition. Now we have to show the ring axioms R2 and R3. R2 says that the multiplication is associative. So we know that the matrix multiplication is associative. Therefore AB into C is equal to A into BC for all ABC element of MNR. Now we have to show that the right and left distributive laws are satisfied. So here it is matrix. We know that for any A, B, C element of MNR, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC and A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Thus matrix multiplication is distributive, both left and right, over matrix addition. Therefore MNR is a ring with respect to addition and multiplication of matrices. Next problem is, prove that the set Z5 equal to set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a ring with respect to plus 5, addition modulo 5 and multiplication modulo 5 as two compositions. Now we have completed the two infinite rings. Here is an example of a finite ring set Z5 with addition modulo 5 and multiplication modulo 5. Earlier, when we do the finite group, we prepare the composition table. So in the same method we have adopted here. We have to prepare the composition tables for both operations, addition modulo 5 and multiplication modulo 5. In the left side you can see the composition table for addition modulo 5. In the first row we can write the composition itself, the addition modulo 5, and the elements in Z5 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 addition modulo 5 0 is equal to, when we add 0 plus 0 is 0, when we divided by 0 the remainder is 0. 0 plus 1 1, when remainder is when divided by 5 remainder is 1. 0 addition modulo 5 2, when we add 2 and the remainder is 2. Similarly 0 addition modulo 3 is 3, 0 addition modulo 4 is 4, 1 addition modulo 0 is 1, 1 addition modulo 1 is 2, 1 addition modulo 2 is 3, 1 additional modulo 3 is 4, 1 addition modulo 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. When we divided by 5, the remainder is 0. So the answer is 0. Now 2 addition modulo 5 0 is 2, 2 addition modulo 5 1 3, 2 additional modulo 2 4, 2 additional modulo 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, the remainder is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. When we divided by 5, the remainder is 1. Therefore 2 plus addition modulo 5, 4 is equal to 1. Now 3 addition modulo 0 is equal to 5, 0 is equal to 3, 3 addition modulo 5, 4, 1 is equal to 4, 3 addition modulo 5, 2 is equal to 0, 3 additional modulo 5, 3 is equal to 1, 3 addition modulo 4, 5, 4 is equal to 2, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 7 we divided by 5, the remainder is 2. Now 4 addition modulo 5, 0 is equal to 0, 4 additional modulo 5, 1 is equal to 1, 4 addition modulo 5 1 is equal to 0, 4 additional modulo 5 2 is equal to 1, 4 additional modulo 5 3 is equal to 2, 4 additional modulo 5 4 is equal to 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. When we divide 8 by 5, the remainder is 3. Now the multiplication modulo 5. The 0 multiplication modulo 5 0 is 0, 0 multiplication 5 1 is 1, 0 multiplication 5 modulo 5 2 is 0, 0 multiplication modulo 3 is 0, 0 multiplication 5 modulo 5 4 is 0. Now 1 multiplication 5 0 is 0, 1 multiplication 5 1 is 1, 1 multiplication 5 2 is 2, 1 multiplication 5 3 is 3, 1 multiplication modulo 4 is 4, 2 multiplication modulo 0 is 0, 2 multiplication modulo 1 is 2, 2 multiplication modulo 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Remainder when we divide by 5, the remainder is 4. 2 multiplication modulo 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 divided by 5, the remainder is 1. 2 multiplication modulo 5, 4, 3, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 multiplication modulo 0 is 0, 3 multiplication modulo 1 is 3, 3 multiplication modulo 2 is 3 into 2, 6 is 1, 3 multiplication modulo 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 multiplication modulo 3 is 4, since 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 9 minus 9 when we divided by 5, the remainder is 4, 3 multiplication modulo 5, 4 is equal to 2, 3 into 4 12, 12 by 5, remainder is 2, 4 multiplication 5 0 is equal to modulo 5 is equal to 0, 4 multiplication modulo 5 4 1 is equal to 4, 4 multiplication modulo 2 5 2 is equal to 3, 4 multiplication modulo 5 3 is equal to 2, and 4 multiplication modulo 5 4 is equal to 1. 4 into 4 is 16, 16 divided by 5, the remainder is 1. So we prepared the composition tables. Now we have to show that this is binary operation, and we have to show that this Z5 with addition modulo 5 is an abelian group. Now after that we have to show that Z5 with multiplication 5 is associative and its right and left distributive laws satisfied. Now since all the entries of the above two composition tables are elements in the set Z5, Z5 is closed with respect to both addition modulo 5 and multiplication modulo 5. Now we have to show the R1 Z5 is an abelian group with respect to addition modulo 5. Now first we have to show that it's associative. So for that we have to take three integers. For any three integers a, b, c, both a addition modulo 5b, addition modulo 5c and a addition modulo 5, b addition modulo 5c denote the least non-negative integer obtained as remainder when a plus b plus c is divided by 5. Since addition of numbers is associative, hence the composition addition modulo 5 is associative. Now in the table, in the composition table for addition modulo 5, the row headed by 0, you can see here in this row the elements are repeating, and in this column elements are same as in the left side column. The row headed by 0 coincide with the top row and the column headed by 0 coincide with the extreme left column. Hence 0 is the identity element. Now in each row and each column of the above table, each element of the Z5 appears exactly once, and 0 additional modulo 5 0 is equal to 0, 1 additional modulo 5 4 is equal to 0, which is equal to 4 additional modulo 5 1, and 2 additional modulo 5 3 is equal to 0, which is equal to 3 additional modulo 5 2. Hence we could write 0 inverse. From the first expression we could write 0 inverse is equal to 0. From second expression we could write 1 inverse is equal to 4. 2 inverse is, from the third expression we could get 2 inverse is equal to 3 and 3 inverse is equal to 2, 4 inverse is equal to 1. Thus inverse of each element exists and belong to the set. Now for any two integers a and b, both a additional modulo 5b and b additional modulo 5a denote the least non-negative integer obtained as remainder when a plus b is divided by 5. Hence the composition additional modulo 5 is commutative. Hence the given set is an abelian group of order 5 with respect to the composition addition modulo 5. Now we have to show the axioms R2 and R3. For R2, for any ABC element of Z5, both a multiplication modulo 5b, multiplication modulo 5c and a multiplication modulo 5, b multiplication modulo 5c denote the least non-negative integer obtained as remainder when ABC is divided by 5. Hence the composition multiplication modulo 5 is associative. Now for R3, for any ABC element of Z5, a multiplication modulo 5b 5, b addition modulo 5c is equal to the least non-negative integer obtained as remainder when a into b plus c is divided by 5, and a multiplication modulo 5b addition modulo 5 a multiplication modulo 5c is equal to the least non-negative integer obtained as remainder when ab plus ac is divided by 5. Since ordinary multiplication is distributive or addition, a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. Therefore we have a multiplication modulo 5 b addition modulo 5c is equal to a multiplication modulo 5b plus addition modulo 5 a multiplication modulo 5c for all ABC element of Z5. Similarly, we can show that a addition modulo 5b multiplication modulo 5c is equal to a multiplication modulo 5c addition modulo 5 b multiplication modulo 5c for all ABC element of Z5. Hence Z5 addition modulo 5 multiplication modulo 5 is a ring.